Meanwhile, in Bollywood, the drug debate is also raging on after veteran actor Jaya Bachchan called out Kangana Ranaut and BJP MP Ravi Kishan for defaming and maligning the industry. Kangana has hit back. It's all about talis and galis in Bollywood now.
Kangana Ranaut has now trained her guns at Rajya Sabha MP and actor Jaya Bachchan.
Film industry.
On Tuesday, Jaya Bachchan had first criticized those vilifying Tinseltown with claims of drugs and then lashed out at Kangana for her harsh comments on Bollywood.
I hope the government tells these people who have made their earning, name and fame in this industry to stop using such language. You cannot tarnish the image of the entire industry.
And as support swelled for Jaya Bachchan's defense of Bollywood, Kangana opened another front with an attack on the veteran actor. Kangana even went on to say that she had promoted feminism and fought for women empowerment in the film industry. Jaya Bachchan has paid the price for taking on Kangana, so much so that she has been given extra police security after being viciously trolled online. On the other hand, the Member of Parliament was lauded by many for showing courage.
I just feel that extremely hardworking people are there in film industry. And when you're talking about film industry, let's understand this loud and clear once and for all. It is not just a few stars you're talking about. You're attacking an entire industry which has so many lakhs of people there earning their bread and butter, making the name for themselves. Are you trying to tell me that any and every technician will go home, his wife and kids will be wondering whether he was on drugs and he has come back home to his own house?
अगर ये ड्रग का जो हो रहा है, जो हर जगह हो रहा है, हर जगह होने की वजह से उसका असर डेफिनेटली बॉलीवुड में भी जो पड़ा हुआ है उसको हटाना चाहिए, निकालना चाहिए, उसको जल्द से जल्द जो it is not the entire Bollywood is bad. Entire Bollywood is such a beautiful, it's an art and culture का एक industry है. इतने लोगों को वो job देता है. How many people are living on this Bollywood?
She has just hit the nail on the head. What we couldn't put in words, she has said each and every word so precisely with facts. It looks like that this is the only industry that is the nastiest one in the entire country right now. That's how it's been projected, which I totally stand against. And I don't think that this industry is the worst place to be in how it's getting projected right now.
The Shiv Sena, which has been the biggest target of Kangana Ranaut, hailed Jaya Bachchan for carrying the flag for Bollywood.
The drugs debate in Bollywood continues to rage on, but as the camp wars break out over this debate, it is the image of the industry itself, the film industry, Bollywood, that has taken a beating. Follow me, Saha, in Delhi for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.